Well, we got part two. I guess I'll show you how to put it on. It's important to get all that old glue off. But it's also important you don't sand it so much that you change the diameter or OD of this raised portion of the shaft. What I like to do is, there's some patches with glue on it. I'll just take my pocket knife and just kind of scratch off the glue. That works really good to get the glue off. And then I'll give the shaft just a light polish all the way around. Right? Just a light polish. So that's ready to go. Now, the sleeve does not come with the shaft seal kit. You have to buy it. It's an extra part. And they used to be brass, but now they're doing stainless for some reason. So you get a little bit of glue and you get the new sleeve, right? So what you gotta do to install this is remove the Loctite from said wrapper. Kind of break it off there, and then just apply it to the shaft like so, kind of uniform all the way around. And I like to take this and I'll put a little in there, little in there. I use it all, don't leave any extra. And then the trick is you slide it on there and you rotate it to let it smear, to make a, I guess, seal, and then you leave it alone. I know it's hard to do, but now you just let it sit. That Loctite will harden, and that will fix it in place. Make sure you wipe off any, oh, I moved it. That's alright, no big deal. You're going to want to get off the excess Loctite, because this new shiny part is that's where your seal rides. That's the surface your seal faces are riding on. Well, not the faces, but you know what I mean. So yeah, I'm going to pause this video. I think I'm just going to go through the whole process and just kind of segment this video out, and hopefully I don't forget to do anything, because we're going to record it all and then upload it.